The wetting down ceremony is a long-standing tradition in the fire service, and there's many different reasons and stories it happens from. It dates back to the days when the horse-drawn pumpers were used in the fire service. After a fire call, they'd bring them back from a fire call, and they'd wet the horses down to cool them down after a fire. It's such kind of tradition where the wetting down comes from. It's also, we're going to be taking an engine, we're going to start our old engine rescue aid and putting water on our new rescue aid. So we're anointing the new fire truck with water from the old fire truck to be taken out of service. So that's an anointment. That's up the bill. Somebody back here spot. Yeah. We got a spot. I went to Raymond. I went to Raymond. Yeah, we got her.